Hello students, good morning. I am Professor Sandeep Korke, Sanjani College of Engineering Kopargaon. In today's lecture, we have to discuss types of level and staff use. These are the two important instruments that are required in leveling. In previous lecture, we had seen what is by leveling. That is an art of determination of measurements in vertical plane. Then we also discussed that various terms related with leveling like horizontal plane, level line, level plane, and with also we discussed the benchmarks, that is the reference points we need before start any leveling operation. The different types of benchmarks like GTS benchmark, permanent benchmark, arbitrary benchmark, and temporary benchmark. Now today we take in short introduction about leveling instruments. Mainly we need level, and with level instrument we need leveling staff, which is graduated staff is used with leveling. The other two instruments are used in leveling, a level and leveling staff. Now first we discussed a level. A level, it is an optical instrument which is used to establish or verify points in the same horizontal plane in a process that is known as leveling. Simply it is an optical instruments that we need to observe the reading on leveling staff, and it is combining with leveling staff we used to establish that relative heights or points. You can see here this is a leveling instrument which is fixed or fitted on this tripod stand, and this is the leveling staff we have to use during leveling operation. Now this level consists of mainly following parts. The first one, the telescope. The telescope is provide the line of sight with object glass and eyepiece at either ends. Then level tube that help us to make it perfectly horizontal. The leveling head, that means the entire assembly is fitted on this leveling head, which is fitted with screws. 3 foot screws are there that help us to make that instrument perfectly level. And next one, the tripod stand. Okay, these are the tripod stand having 3 legs, hence it called tripod. And then leveling instrument is fitted on this tripod stand. Now there are different types of levels are used in surveying. There are mainly 4 types are there: dumpy level, Y level, reversible level, and tilting level. Now first we discuss dumpy level. This is a photo of dumpy level with eyepiece. This is object glass. This is the entire assembly is known as telescope. This is a focusing screw. This is a bubble tube or level tube. Then these are the leveling head. Means these are the consist of foot screws, a base plate, and entire assembly that helps to make instrument perfectly leveled in horizontal plane. The dumpy level is an optical surveying instrument already we had seen, which consists of telescope tube and which is firmly secured with 2 collars, one collar here, one collar here. Means it is a fixed. If we rotate in horizontal plane only, but that telescope we cannot rotate in vertical plane. Means horizontal, that telescope is rotating in horizontal plane only. It is fixed within these 2 arms. And generally in our study or in our practicals for this semester in surveying, we have to use dumpy level, this first type of level. Next, Y level, it is also known as surveyor's leveling instrument, is attached with spirit level, and there is a little change here which is mounted in Y shaped ring. Here Y shaped ring is there, and which permit us that lifting of telescope and will be reversed from end to end, and it is used in the direct measurement of differences in elevation. Next one is the Cook's reversible level. This leveling instrument combines the good features of both dumpy and Y level. By loosening the screw telescope can be rotated about its longitudinal axis and can be withdrawn from the sockets and placed end for end. Means it combines the features of both dumpy and Y level. These attachments allows us to separate the telescope and we shift from end to end without shifting or changing of the instruments. Next one is the tilting level. A serving instrument with sighting telescope so mounted that it can be raised or lowered through a limited arc without impairing the accuracy of reading. That is important here. Means without any compromise with the accuracy of reading, we can tilt that telescope through the axis of rotation is not precisely horizontal. That instrument allows us a slightly raising or lifting of that telescope or lower of telescope in specific situations. Okay, means all the other four types of levels are used in surveying generally, and we for our study in our practical generally we use dumbbell level. And next one is the leveling staff that is necessary for leveling with leveling instrument. Level staff is also known as leveling rod also. It is a straight rectangular and graduated wooden or aluminum rod. Simply material may be used, maybe wooden material or maybe aluminum material. It is a straight rectangular shape and graduated rod is there. Generally used in leveling operation with level instrument to determine the difference in heights between points or above that points are above the datum level. It cannot be used without leveling because means without leveling instrument we cannot use staff only to observe the readings. Okay, hence where we have to determine the heights, at that point we hold this leveling staff by one person and another person can observe this reading from leveling instrument at certain distances. Generally there are three types of self reading staffs are used in surveying. Solid staff, it is single piece. Okay, single piece rectangular rod is there having total length is 3 meter. Second one, it comes in folding type. We make a one fold, means two pieces are folded over each other and each piece is having 2 meter length, means total length of that rod is 4 meters. Means all these rods the graduations are there from 0 to 4 meter, means there 0, then 10, 20, 30, 100 centimeter, means that is 1 meter, then next 2 meter, 3 meter, 4 meter like this. And next type nowadays commonly used, that is telescopic type staff. The staff is having 3 stages. First 2 stages are hollow and last one is the solid stages there. Mean that hollow stages are inserted in each other and then lastly that solid stage inserted in these 2 hollow parts. And mainly in this case the least count of leveling staff is 5 mm, means minimum readings that we can observe with the help of leveling staff is 5 mm. That is the least count of leveling staff is 5 mm. Okay, thank you students, it is sufficient for today. Thank you.